it's now or never. We rise before the sun. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone. They put us in the fish tanks and fed us with their lies, as broadcast till they turn our blood to ice. We're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. They never have a chance to take us down. They try to turn our voice into a whisper. We're racing against time tonight. We gotta hold their armies and summon their allies to squeeze us into cubicles like flies. And we're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. We never have a chance to take us down. We try to turn our voice into a whisper. It's two against the world tonight. And it's two against the world. It's two against the world. 'Cause we're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard. Never take us down. Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Somewhere new. Just us two. I'll follow you to somewhere new. Somewhere new.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star, a gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call the storms weather, short or long, well, I'll still be right where you are. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known that set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Unmistakable.
marathon runner running in place. Carved through the hills like a river to nowhere. A little less thinking, a little more space. I'm doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Heavy is the head that lives in the clouds. Searching for problems to answers I found. It ain't good for nothing, it just adds to the noise. Choir static, what's one more voice? Doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Marathon mind. Doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Marathon mind. It's the first step out of bed when the clouds start rolling in, when the flowers lose their head. It's the lies that keep them smiling. I feel I'm slowly dying, like the world has just decided to stop its spinning. It goes round and round and round and round again. Life goes on and on, just slide around the bend. There's a new sun rising, there's no use crying. Old lights just beyond the horizon. Round and round and round and round again. So don't let them keep you down. I'm tired of all this trying. Feel that fire slowly dying, running down, oh, running on.